Have you ever wondered what makes living things grow bigger, stronger, and healthier? Well, get ready. Today we're unlocking the secret behind growth factors. 1. What are growth factors? They're like little messengers in our body that tell cells when to grow, heal, or repair. Think of them as text messages your body sends to itself. 2. Examples of growth factors. Growth hormone helps us grow taller. Epidermal growth factor heals wounds like a superhero. Nerve growth factor and keeps our brain and nerves strong. Factors that influence human growth. Let's break it down. 1. Genetics, heredity. We inherit things like skin color, hair type, and height from our parents. But some genetic conditions can also affect how we grow. 2. Nutrition. Food is fuel. Protein builds the muscles. Calcium strengthens the bones. Iron supports healthy blood. Vitamins and minerals act as the overall body functions. 3. Exercise. Playing sports, dancing, or even skipping rope helps bones and muscles grow stronger and makes you feel great. 4. Rest, sleep. Kids and teens should sleep at least 9 hours a night. Do you know why? This is because growth hormone, the body's growth booster, is mostly released while we sleep. 5. Health. Good health checkups, vaccines, and caring for both physical and mental health help us grow well. 6. Environment. At a supportive family, good education, clean surroundings, and access to healthcare all shape growth and development. 7. Lifestyle. Healthy habits like eating balanced meals, exercising, sleeping well, and managing stress helps to better growth. Extra factors. Hormones control growth and development. Culture can influence how children are raised and developed. Socioeconomic status affects access to food, healthcare, and education. If you had your own growth factor, what special power would it give you? Flying, super healing, or super speed? Comment below. I'd love to hear your answers. And now you know the secret messengers behind growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science made fun.